I have a feeling this jacket's gonna make like a noise throughout the video, so deal with it. Let me get this up first so I'm actually like organized. James Charles Facetune. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm gonna be doing today is following... Oh, someone did it! Oh, this is so annoying. I thought I was being really original, and as soon as I bloody click on it, I see someone did it 2 months ago.
Oh, now it looks like I'm copying.
Well, I came up with this video idea on my own. Basically, what I'm gonna be doing today is, everyone always says he's following whoever's makeup tutorials, yeah? But I thought half of Instagram makeup is actual makeup, half of it is Facetune. What I'm gonna be doing is following the Facetune King, James Charles's makeup tutorial. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm trying to be original. What I'm gonna be doing is following the King, James Charles's Facetune tutorial. So a year ago, he did a how to take your selfies from drab to fab Facetune tutorials. I have it up on my laptop right now. I'm gonna click on it.
Hi sisters, James Charles here. Welcome back to my...
His voice sounds different.
Oh, hi Jamesy.
This was March 2017, so it was almost 2 years ago, so he might have changed the way he Facetunes now. I don't know. I have used Facetune for around about a year now, so I know how to use it. I Facetune my photos a fair amount. I'm gonna follow how James does it. So I took some selfies earlier. Let's go through and favorite the ones that I like the most.
Oh yeah, these need editing.
Okay, I have a few that I can work with. So now that I have found my favorite photos of me, let's get on with me following James Charles's Facetune tutorial. Okay, right, I'm gonna open my photo in Facetune, which is what James is doing. Right, let's edit that one. Sorry, I'm slouching very badly and I feel like I'm gonna get out of frame. Also, I know you can see my bra strap, deal with it.
Ooh, you're hard.
And the first tool I'm gonna use is Reshape.
Same though, bitch. Okay.
The first thing I'm gonna do with this photo is I'm going to zoom in and I'm just going to make my jawline super duper poppin'.
I can't really edit my jaw that much, but I'm gonna try. Guess that's all the reshaping we're doing today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I reshape my photos to I think this is actually how I learned how to Facetune from this video, so I feel like it's going to be quite similar to what I actually do with my photos. Nonetheless, I'm making this video interesting. Come on, James.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the details tool. This tool basically adds contrast and sharpness to the photo wherever you draw it on, but I feel like this really does make such a difference. I really like to tap it on my eyes, especially the eyelashes, to make sure they really stand out and look nice and flirty and big. Same thing with the inner brow hairs. Usually I'll do my nails, but because they're a little bit grown out, I'm not going to bring any more attention to them. I'll add a little bit on the fake freckles, just tapping it in. And then also my Cartier ring, because I worked very, very hard for it and I want people to know that it's there.
I don't have a Cartier ring. Hit me up if you want to send me one. Do you know what I actually really want? You guys may know I turn 18 in June. Already I'm looking at birthday presents.
Because that's the kind of person that I am.
I wanted a Cartier love bracelet for my 18 and I didn't realize how expensive they were.
They are $3 grand.
3 grand? Sweetie, do you think I'm made of money? What? Anyway, moving on with the Facetune tutorial.
Now that I'm done with smoothing, I'm going to go to my all-time favorites tool, and that is tone. This tool is like my hidden secret. Not a lot of people know how to use it, but I am the freaking queen of tones. I love it, and it truly can make your photos so freaking good if you use it correctly and sparingly.
Oh, I love a good tone.
Yes, I'm excited now. This is what I've been waiting for. Love a good tone. Come on.
I am the freaking queen of tones.
Same, James. Same.
So the first thing I'm going to do on this photo is to make sure the highlights are very, very popping. Now I was standing in front of a very, very large open window, hitting natural sunlight, so you can see most of the highlights, especially on like my nose, are very, very bright. But there's no light hitting me on the sides of my face or from downwards because I hold the phone downwards. So I'm just going to do a little bit of tones to fix everything up and make sure all the highlights are even and blending. So I'm going to click the palette button and I'm actually going to use the color that's already pre-selected, and I'm just going to bring it up to the top, and I'm going to go almost to white but not quite. I want to make sure it's not stark white or else it just looks really, really fake and too like, it just doesn't look right basically. So I'm just going to pick this color, I'm going to grab tones and I'm going to zoom right on in, and I'm just going to start in by tapping a little bit on the tip of the nose. I'm also going to put a little bit more right up in here. Basically when I do this, I'm going to put my phone like this so you can see, but I like to really just lightly tap on my phone.
That's what I'm going to do as well.
I never will sit there and scrub it, or it's just going to look really, really stupid like this.
So I've started scrubbing it.
Right, let's erase it and start tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, can you see my dark circle? I'm going rogue and I'm getting rid of that. Hi. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap. Perfect. Oh, I need to do my brow bone as well, soz. I need to pay more attention to his tutorial because right now I'm going a bit rogue. But I just got so excited when I saw the tones tool. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, Sorry, James, I'm gonna pause you for a minute there. I know James hasn't got this because his makeup's flawless, but mine isn't, so I need to like fix that if this is actually going on Instagram. 1 minute, I'm going off book, and then I'll actually go back on book. Oh, that looks worse. Oh, go back on book, erase.
The next thing I'm gonna do in tones is the eyes, and this is something that a lot of people talk about. They either love it on my photos or hate it. I clearly love it because I continue to do it, and it's a trick that I absolutely love, and that is brightening up the eyes. I'm gonna grab back into tones, and this time I'm just gonna go all the way up to stark white, all the way up in the inner corner. I know if you were dying to use it with highlighter, you can't, but now you can use your white. So I'm just gonna grab it and I'm gonna lightly go into tones, and I'm gonna zoom all the way in, and I'm just gonna start lightly tapping on the whites of the eye, just to make them look really, really bright. And then when it comes to the actual pupil, this is my all-time favorite trick. I'm gonna lightly tap in the white on the pupils of the eye, and this really brightens them up and makes them look so freaking pretty.
I actually do this, so if you guys come for me, sorry. I do this on all my photos. Look how much better this looks. Before, after, before, after.
Okay, I got a bit carried away with the highlight. Calm down, Queenie.
Oh my god, see how good that looks? It just looks so like doll-like, almost like a cartoon character, but it looks like it can actually be natural.
It does look doll-like, it does look good. I feel ya.
Unfortunately, my eyes are shit brown, so I always wear my colored contacts anyway.
Did he just say his eyes are shit brown? If that's not a mood, honestly. Guys, I just made my forehead smaller. Let's have a little look. Before, after, before, after. James clearly is wearing a hat. I'm not, and I want to make it look like I have a skinny forehead.
The last and final step of this photo is going to be to work on the nose contour. Now this is something that has sparked many a controversy in the past with my followers. People either love my nose contour or hate my nose contour. I personally love a good snatched nose.
Do I like it? No. Will I have to post it? Yes. Obviously me and James have very different nose shapes, so this probably works quite well for him. For me it makes it look a bit stupid, but oh well. Should I just reshape my nose completely and just go boom? Oh no, that's worse. Boom. Oh, okay, that, no. Oh my god, that looks like the fisheye tool, but like in real life. Oh, I look like Fiona from Shrek. Someone actually told me I look like Fiona from Shrek.
So from Facetune, the next app that I always like to use is ViscoCam. Now if you like filters, this app is definitely for you. I personally don't like filters. I like to just edit the raw image and then just play with the colors a little bit. So I'm just gonna use ViscoCam for that. I'm not gonna add a filter. I'm just gonna click the little thing in the bottom corner, click this button, and I'm gonna go over to this tool right here, which is called Skin Tone.
So I have ViscoCam. I've never used that tool on it though before, Skin Tone.
I personally hate when I look either too yellow or too pink in photos. It is one of my biggest pet peeves. I really don't know why. I like to look as neutral as possible, and in this photo I'm looking way too yellow. So I'm just gonna take this slider and I'm gonna drag it down, probably around like 3.5 looks nice and neutral.
Okay, so 3.5 on me looks way too pink, but like, yeah, 1.5 looks pretty neutral for me, I think. Yeah, I look way too yellow. I agree, James. I might start doing this on my photos. Thanks, James.
Now that all the editing is done in Facetune and ViscoCam, basically the photo is done. So now I'm gonna open it up on Instagram and get ready to post.
Guys, I edit my photos in about 5 different apps. I was ready. Freaking Lightroom, Mextures, everything. I was there ready for it. I was waiting, and now James is just dropping this bomb.
I like to bring the brightness way up, so I'll probably bring that to around 7. The contrast I'll boost as well to probably around 7, I guess. Warmth I always bring way down. For some reason I really like the look of cool tone photos, so I usually bring my warmth down to around 15 or 18, I guess. Whatever, not that serious. So I'm just gonna pick shadows, go over to the blue, and then bring this down to probably around 15%.
I love how he goes, 15%. That's so funny. I don't know why I found that funny.
I'm gonna go into highlights, and for this photo I'm going to boost them up a little bit, probably to around 10, and then I always like to bring my shadows down just to add a little bit more contrast.
Right, my camera just turned itself off, so that's fun and fresh. But what I was saying is, but like I really like the way he's edited it in like the Instagram app and everything. Like I think it looks sick. What should I post? I want to post some cool little caption. Does anyone else hate it when they're like typing something and then autocorrect kicks in? Right, I'm literally putting song lyrics as my caption, which is cringy as hell, but oh well. Share. I will either update you guys in a little bit or edit in how many likes it got when I was like editing, because that's probably more accurate if I do it after like a day or so, because I get the time in for people to actually see it on my feed. I normally get around 2,000 to 3,000 likes. It depends on the photo. We are just gonna let that do its thing. That is it for today's video. I don't think the photo turned out that badly, to be fair. I actually really like the way it turned out.
I mean, James Charles is like kind of like a Facetune king, so I expected it to be quite good.
I actually learned how to Facetune off of that video, I think. If you guys did enjoy it, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. If you wanna go check that photo out on Instagram and leave a little like, please do feel free to. Gotta get that promo, you know me. Without further ado, that is it for today's video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Yeah, I love you, and bye. Mwah.